What's going on, YouTube? So I woke up this morning, I was like, I'm gonna cook me some chili. I got some of the stuff right there, but I need to go to the store and pick up some meat and some other things to put in it. And I was thought to myself, this is a great example of the storage space on this scooter. So let's do this. I know some of y'all at this point be saying to yourself, Mr. Captain Crazy, you'll make a video about any damn thing. And the answer to that question is absolutely yes. After 420 something damn videos, you just gotta think of shit to make a video about. And I woke up this morning and I was like, I want me some chili. I was talking to my friend last night, he had cooked him some chili. And I'm like, well shit, I'm gonna go get me some chili. But I didn't have all the stuff, so we are on Becky right now. I'm going to show y'all the ability of a scooter to actually do the shopping, do the everyday life things that you got to do. I'd recommend a 150 scooter. I'd skip over to 50. You ain't going to get there in time. But anyway, we are about to roll up here at the grocery store. All right, we're gonna get all this stuff on the bike, no problem. All right, so let's put all that stuff on the bike, real easy. All right, so here you go. Top case under the seat and on the grocery latch. So let's go on home. So we got some of the meat right here. We gotta sear that up. These are like beef cubes. And I got some frozen hamburger meat in there. But I like to mix these two different types of meat, put it in that crock pot right there, and then let that shit cook for like 8 hours, dude. And yeah, you got something good. But before I burn the place down, let me put down this camera. Alright, so we got the ground beef all browned up. All you gotta do is dump it in there. Let's show you what I got in there. Whole bunch of different things, man. When I cook chili, I just find what I got around, mix it all together, put a little bit of sugar, ketchup in it, all that good stuff, makes it taste delicious. Anyway, thank you all for watching. I know this isn't no cooking show, but my big ass needs to eat. So if you haven't, hit that like button for me, leave a comment, subscribe, definitely subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one.